So what is it I'm writing? It's not just some crappy memoir, or even an attempt at apologizing for everything I've done. This is a cautionary tale. I hope that you might learn from my mistakes. Because in the end, a job is not just a job. It's who you are. And if you want to change who you are, well, first, you have to change what you do.
So what is it? A novel? Epic poem?
Thoughts. It's just stuff. And it's not finished. What?
Somebody's coming. You don't hear it?
What are you doing? What are the... Ah!
Stomach, bladder, pancreas, eye, intestine, liver, blood, guts, head!
Get down.
Who's that?